Let's go ahead and shift to levels. Can you guys see my screen? Let me know. Okay, cool. So, yeah, all right. Thanks, Brody. All right, so market bullish. Actually, let's see. You guys want us? You want me to do a bullish example or sell examples or buy examples? I always do sell examples. I don't know why. Well, you guys tell me. Talk to me. Unmute. You want a buy example? Sell example? Does it matter? Buys. All right, let's go. Market's bearish. Market's downtrending. Market's giving us a lower low and lower high. Right. So we already know once market breaks through this low, this is going to be our BOS continuation move, right? Boom, BOS. Which means this move here, this piece, my starting point. SP, starting point. Let's go on top, left, boom. Let's see, let's detail this real quick. Let's go ahead. Let's sell that. Oh, actually, never mind. Boom. Let's just make this detailed as possible. Awesome. Right, so we already know this is a possible sell zone here, right? But it doesn't have to always come back right away. We just have to have that in the back of our mind, right? So again, market pulls back. We already know to get that continuation, we need to break this zone. So let's go ahead and do that. Boom. A nice BOS to the downside, giving us another starting point. And let's just go ahead and keep everything the same. Market buys up there. Market sells off. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And this is going to repeat, guys, over and over again, right? And what we want to pay attention to is when market comes back, right? This one didn't come back right away, right? Market's going to save that for us for later, right? We're going to save that for later. Now, what if market comes and gives me a nice a sell opportunity? Let's go ahead and buy up. Boom. My starting point. My starting point is going to be my supply zone. So let's just go ahead. Market hit my zone. Market selling off. Nice. Let's go. We in blues, baby. We in blues, baby. Let's go. Let's go. So with that new move, market gives us a lower low, lower high, and then market gives us a new low, right? A market continuation move. So again, this last buying candle will be my new starting point, will be my new supply. So let's just go ahead and adjust, right? But let's just say this zone doesn't hold, right? Let's say this zone doesn't hold. Boom, market's buying. Market's buying. Cool. It hits our area. And let's just say it gives us a sell. Let's say it does give us a nice sell opportunity. Bam, market put us in some profit. Right? Market put us in some profit. And then what happens? Damn. Gosh darn it. Every time I want to enter a trade, market disrespects me. Don't even trip. Right? Because maybe you were late right here. Maybe you were late. Or maybe you didn't catch this one. Right? So you're trying to catch the last of the move, a next move, and maybe this was all that market had to offer. This was it. It was tired of this bearish run. Right? So what's going to happen is you might have entered here to continue this bearish market. Right? And it happens. Sometimes market's going to hit stop loss and market's going to change character. What do we do now? What do we do? We already know that we can go ahead and take a break and retest opportunity. So when market comes back, boom, we can go ahead and take a buy opportunity. Now, what if you're not trusting this zone? What if you're not trusting this zone? Because we already know if this is a nice area, right? If we can see this along with levels giving us a nice confirmation, boom, we know that we have a lower zone in mind. Let's go ahead and just adjust this because I know y'all like, dang, bro, that stop loss. I feel you. Don't trip. Don't trip, my boy. So we already know there's a possible buy zone at this lower area. How do we know that market's going to go ahead and respect this area? Well, if you want to go ahead and put a 0.01 test trade, be my guest. Right? I encourage you to 0.01 test trade. But let's just say market's giving us a little bit of problems. How do we know market's going to go ahead and reverse and this is going to be the zone? Guys, levels worries about pullbacks. We must identify pullbacks. That should be in your notes. Every note that you guys jot down on a Monday and Friday call should be levels worries about pullbacks. I must identify the pullbacks, right? So as market comes down, we had a starting point here, right, with our breaker structure to the downside. Let's go ahead and just adjust this. We had a starting point here with our breaker structure to the downside. We get another starting point here because we had another breaker structure to the downside. We get another starting point here because market was continuing to the downside, right? We already know buy area 1, buy area 2. But what if you're not trusting this area? Because we already know this is the big one, the big move that everybody knows and love, right? Shoot this across, make it an alarm. I'm gonna go ahead and just make my alarms orange because that's what TradingView, that was the color of the alarms like a couple months ago. Let me just go ahead and make this a little thicker. Right, it's actually, it doesn't even matter. Once market breaks above and we get a clear change of character, boom, set this alarm for break and close above. I'll show you on TradingView. Right, make sure you guys remind me. I'll show you guys at the end. Make sure for market breaks and close above. Once we break and close, guys, we already know what we want to do. We want to take a buy opportunity, especially if levels can give us a nice double confirmation. Does this make sense? If you're not trusting the first touch opportunity, it's okay to just sit back, guys, and just twiddle your thumbs a little bit, right? It's okay to twiddle your thumbs. It's okay. Set an alert. Go hang out with your girlfriend. Go hang out with your kids. Go on a date. Go read a book. You know, go to the gym. Just set alerts. Because if market doesn't break above, let's just say market goes above this area, goes above our alert, but we haven't been alert. We haven't gotten an alert yet, right? Because our alert is set to a break and close above. So let's just say market goes above, but it ends up staying below. It ends up staying below. Well, then market may just continue down. And the same thing happens over and over again. We worry about the pullbacks, right? So again, if you don't trust this zone is going to hold because we've been so bearish on this right-hand side, right? Maybe you're like, bro, I just don't trust it right now. I've been getting clapped. You know, market's been bearish and we're looking for possible buys, but I don't understand, right? But if you could understand this market structure and trust what the market is telling you, you got to go ahead and take that opportunity. So again, starting point. Why was this a starting point? Who wants to unmute and tell me why this area is a starting point? Not all at once. Not all at once. Let's go. Come on.
Oh,
What's good?
it's the move that broke the low.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good stuff. Same thing. This was the move that broke the low. And we just keep marking this up. So we should already be, boom, market gave us a pullback, drop slower, pullback. Keep adjusting my alert. Market drops lower, pulls back. We get a new starting point. Why? Because we broke the low, so we should be pulling down our alert. Again, we haven't even taken trades because we're waiting for this market to flip. Now, let's just say market's ready. Let's say you didn't even test trade this area. That's fine. Hey, trust me, bro. I'm right there with you, bro. I'm right there with you. When it hasn't been your week, you're like, bro, I just got to be cautious. I'm not really interested in taking a fast buy right now. Let's just wait. I'll wait for the confirmations. Hey, I'm right there with you, bro. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. Wait for that market to buy up. Boom. We done broke and closed above our alert. So ding, 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 ding. Yo, Fig, your alarm went off. Kyle, Miguel, Krista, your alarm went off. Yes, let's go. Let's go. We ready, baby. We ready. Let's go ahead and mark up. Boom. That's my shoulder zone. Hold on. I gotta put my darn supply. Boom. That's my shoulder zone. This is gonna be my supply zone. And we have a new stop loss. So if you didn't get in on this beautiful Picasso that yours truly presented you with, boom, 1 of 3. We have the confirmation set up right here. Is this making sense? So now we could have, boom, confirmation. Let's go ahead and hit this one instead, because now we got confirmation. Market's gonna go ahead and move in our favor. So when market comes back, we go ahead and take that opportunity. We go ahead and shift the markets. Boom. Shift it. Boom. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. We shifting the markets. Is this making sense? Let's go. Can we go look for examples? Do you guys want to look at examples, or do you want me to break it down some more? Let me know. All right, cool. Let's go. Let's go, baby. All right, check me out. Market is bullish right now. Let's just delete this real quick. Market was a whole lot bullish. Again, we're on the 1 hour, but I'm sure a lot of this, that's probably a couple weeks. All right, so let's just go ahead, and I think it's been flying up since then anyway. Yeah, market's been bullish on the yen. So let's just go ahead and zoom in. Zoom in and take a look. We'll start right here. Let's just see if we got a breakout box. If we do, would this zone be valid? You would have to send the picture, bro. Or actually, let me see if I can copy paste this. Copy, paste, enter. All right, can you guys see this? Or no? Let me know. I could see it. No?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, cool. Yes, I like this. We can see, can I annotate? Oh, heck yeah. We can see this is my left shoulder. We do break below. We do get a sell opportunity there, right? Now, as soon as we change character to the upside right here in this area, right here, no, it just gave us exactly what we needed for buy opportunities. Nice change of character. So we can see even with this right here in this area, this looks like a continuous move with no red candles right here. This right here, supply zone. I'm sorry, demand zone. Demand zone along with a shoulder. Bro, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. If you don't trust it, look, check me out. If you don't trust it, I hear you. Do you see this hiccup in the market? Draw a line. Market drops lower. We get that change of character. Let's do what it do. Does this make sense? Unmute somebody, please. Let me know. Does this make sense?
Yep.
Let's go. Let's go. All right, cool. Nice. Love that. Let's go. Sorry, I'm bringing that energy. Yo, Had some coffee left over from this morning, so don't mind me.
It's fucking.
Don't mind me, honey. All right, check me out. Market was downtrending right here. Again, we're on the hour, but market was downtrending, 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 downtrending. Boom. Check me out. Let's look at the pullbacks. Market drops down, we pull back. Market drops lower, we pull back. Market drops lower, and then boom, we go ahead and change character. But let's go ahead. Let's delete this real quick. Let's just go ahead and mess around with our supply and demand because levels helps us, right? I usually don't pull this out because it doesn't delete old or violated zones. So it'll leave it kind of messy, but we'll go ahead and pull it out. We'll mess around with it. So demands are for buys. So if we just broke above, let's go ahead and press demand. It doesn't look like this area with the help would call it a demand, but I would definitely call that a demand zone because that's definitely a starting point. Starting point, demand zones, order blocks, same type of thing, right? So we'll go ahead and box this up because this is our last question. I was trying to find starting point series episodes. Yeah, so it looks like Oren's videos are gone. It looks like IM did a full-on, clean out. They swept house. They cleaned house. A lot of videos from other educators as well that they had saved, recorded. Those are also gone. So as of the starting point series, I loved those videos because it literally breaks everything down. And there's a lot of Q&As, which is it's good because even though you may be shy to ask a question, there are other people from around the world, from around the states, asking something that you may need help on. So it's good to listen as well, right? So those videos have a ton of information. I love those videos, but they're not on IM anymore, and I'm kind of bummed out about that. So I did put together a new list, and it's going over the breakout boxes, which is what I go over, and the starting point, which is also supply and demand. Right, so I put a list together of like 15 videos, and they're how we trade right now, right? So it's okay. Yes, those videos are gone, but we have to adapt, right? When market conditions change, we just got to adapt. So let's go ahead. Let's shoot this across. Extend left. Awesome. Let's turn this off. Actually, let's change the color. Turn those off. And then we have a left shoulder here. Yeah, man, I got you. With our stop loss at the low, right? So we can see the shoulder is literally chilling right inside of this demand zone. So check me out. Market comes inside that thing, literally bounces around. Like it was not trying to go, but it eventually took off. It eventually took off on you. So let's just see. Did it change character here? Oh, it did. It did. And that definitely, obviously, hit stop loss. Definitely hit stop loss. But look, check me out. How do we adapt? Because technically this was the buy, right? This was the buy opportunity. 1 to 3. You're like, dang, that's a big stop loss. But the market did go our way after getting stop loss, and it smacked a 1 to 3 plus that. All right, that was a full-on 1 to 8 pretty much, which is nice. All right, which is nice. It sucks getting stopped out before the move, but hey, it happens, man. It happens. So initially, once market touches our zone, we got to find the closest pullback to that zone to let us know we were correct. So lower low, lower high. This is the pullback, guys. Market touches our zone. Okay, cool. Where's the confirmation trade? Where's the closest pullback to find that change of character, letting us know market's going in our way, going in our favor, right? We changed character. I would have liked buying in this area. We can see market would have hit my stop because now this low would be my new stop. new stop loss. So my setup should have been like this. Change of character, shoulder. But it ends up stopping us out, crawling back, and then taking off. So let's just delete this because we know that's the demand. Let's delete this also. So if we saw this and we got stop lost, are we looking for sells or are we continue to look for buys?
Buys.
Buys. Why would we continue to look for buys? That'll make sense.
Because it just wicked it in full body close.
Let's go. Don't let me fool you. Let's go. Let's just see if we can catch something there. I don't know. I haven't looked at this. I haven't really been looking at the yens a whole lot, but let's just see if we could have caught. I mean, I could already see this. So this is fine enough for me, honestly. Wicked. We changed character. We got a right shoulder, a little bit of drawdown, but hey, that's honestly good enough for me. That's good enough for me. I don't want to drop down all the way to the 1 minute to try to find a setup. That's good enough for me. Right? But let's just go lower. Let's see if we can go lower and see if we can find something a little lower. Because market came down here for a reason. If it was just to fill this imbalance, then that's totally fine. But let's just take a look. Let's just adjust to make it clean for you guys. Let's. Oh well, that's not clean. Delete, just so we can stay clean on why we're taking these. Let's drop down to the 5. We'll let it. Yes, let's go. All right, so it doesn't really look like there's a pullback, maybe on the 1 minute, but let's just take a look. I mean, doesn't hurt to take a look. Especially if it snipes that shoulder, boy. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see it? Oh my goodness. Do you guys see it? Do you guys see that though? Do you guys see that? Man, okay, we got stop loss. Hey, it is what it is, my boy. It is what it is. You got to wear that one right here. You know what I mean? Just dust your shoulders off. Live to fight another day. What, as levels traders, trick question. As levels traders, what do we pay attention to?
Pullbacks.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Market drops down. We pull back. We drop down. We pull back. Market starts to consolidate. Oh my goodness. Is that a red arrow? Oh man. Market levels isn't letting me pull up the red box because it's too far gone. But red arrow means there should be a red box right here. Double click. Let's do it like that. There should be a red box right there. Ooh, super fire. So let's just go ahead and mark it up. I like to go from wick to body. Right? Looks like we just missed that if you're trading with the shoulder. But look, check me out. Let's zoom in. Check me out. Let's zoom in. Let's just delete this because we already identified. Is this a rally breakout? I see no red candles. No restarts. That looks like a rally breakout, bro. This right here. This right here. Demand zone. With my stop loss, we'll just go ahead and move it down here. This is the new stop. Boom. 1 to 3 was smacking. But we were on higher time frame. We were on higher time frame. Right? We were looking at the big moves. Right? If market wants to continue up, we gotta go ahead and continue to break structure, baby. We gotta continue to break structure to the upside. right? So, oh, where's my little thing at? My little thing. All right, we'll pull that right there. Cool. We had some drawdown. We got stop lost. Okay, we found the new setup. Can we pull that up? This right here could have been your first TP. Let me just change these to green. This was our change of character move. This is our TP move. Our TP. Boom. So not only did we get the very, very, very bottom, but on one time frame lower, we were able to catch the second one. Boom. Moves. Market moves. Let's go. Does this make sense, guys? Give me a 5 if this is making sense. Let's go. Trading view. Okay, look, check me out. US dollar. USD CAD. I'm still waiting on swings a little higher, to be honest, so I'm not upset. But this looks like, yeah, I was just about to say, this looks like a possible violation for sure. Market's been bullish with the dollar, so it makes sense, right? We see the setup. Where am I? Annotate. Consolidation. That's actually wrong. Let's make it different, yeah. Consolidation. We get the head, and then we change character. Stop loss is perfect. Bingo. As soon as we violate, we wait for market to come back so we can go ahead. Now, what if you're like, bro, I don't even see a whole lot to be, for a stop loss. And I agree with you. That would be a stop loss, and this would be a stop loss. Right? Not my favorite type of setup when there's no pullbacks in that. Right? So this is what I would do because of this setup, the way market is giving me some. Where are my backs? Oh, okay. Let's go back. Just pay attention. That was the ugliest drop down. Pay attention to pullbacks. Pull back. Pull back. Pull back. Even if we get some drawdown, hey, you're being careful. You haven't even entered yet. Maybe market wanted to fill this imbalance here. Draw your lines. That's your alert. We change character. Boom. Let's go ahead. That makes sense? Kyle, this is yours, right? Yeah, does that make sense, Kyle? Well, the demand zone should be this candle here because that move is going to be my rally breakout. Does that make sense? Should be. If the candle's boom bullish and we break out there, this area right here should be a demand zone. Let's go ahead. Let's go hop on levels and see what's up. Dang, this is nice. See what you can do when you stick to one pair and just mind your business. Right? See what you can do where you can really just mind your business with one pair. Let's see. USD CAD. That breakdown right there was fire. I hope somebody watches this recording and gets some clicking moments. Tells us we got SL on that USD CAD trade. Hey, it's all right, bro. I test trade that thing too. I got SL. We good. So this is the 4-hour time frame. Levels letting me know. Hey, sell right here, bro. Hey, that's as clear as day to me, dog. That's as clear as day to me. I'm selling right there. Mandos. Especially with this. Let's just turn this off real quick. Especially with this. Oh, man. Another one? Oh, man. And then bruh, that's as clear as day to me. I don't know about you guys, but that's clear as day. Right? Run it. Hey, test trade. Hey, it's all good, Tizzle. Or Jose. It's all good, bro. That's why we test trade. Right? 1 to 3. 0.01. You lost $4. Would that be your confirmation? What do you mean? would that be your confirmation to enter the sell? What exactly would be my confirmation? This right here, boom. This break would close below. That's a change of character. That right there is telling me, yo, this setup isn't too bad, my boy. That break below is telling me, yo, this setup right here, not too bad. Let's run it. Let's run it. Gotta run it. Right? 0.01 test trade. You lost $4. Now, to someone who has a 5 or 50K funded account, you're like, bro, $4? Come on, bro. Run it up. Scared money don't make no money, baby. You know, and then you end up losing 400 for no reason. And we haven't even got our confirmation yet. What's our confirmation? Change of character. Boom. Right? Hey, it's all good. It's all good. Let's just take a look. Demand. Okay. This is, you see how it doesn't erase all the other ones, which is why I don't really use them that often. But I'm just gonna focus on this. This literally has 0 red candles on the 4 hour, and it's telling me that this last buying candle, last selling candle, boom, this is my demand zone. So let's just go ahead and change this to green. Demand. Right? What else is right here? Look at the market structure. Market drops down, consolidates, drops lower, changes character. Boom. We got 2 opportunities right here. Chilling. I like to have my shoulders a little darker. Boom. Chilling. Right? But look, the market's way up here. What's going to be the better buy opportunity? The violation or the inverted? Who want to unmute or who want to type it in? Market's way up here already. Good stuff, bro. Good stuff. Well, market's up here. If market continues to break above. Oh, dang. If market continues to break above, shoot. Let's go ahead and look for some buys right here. So when market comes back, let's just go ahead and see what could happen. Maybe we don't answer off the first touch. Why don't we answer off the first touch? Well, I see a good zone right here. I'm being cautious, bro. I'm being super cautious right now. Let's change this to orange. That's my alert. Let's go ahead and actually delete this because I don't want it overlapping. We'll just adjust. Keep this red. That's my stop. Boom. As soon as market changes character, let's go ahead and hop in for the next setup. Stop loss. Boom. Let's take it up. Make sense, Jose? Does this make sense, Tizzle? Because I know you guys are looking at this. Bet. And look, if market just drops, hey, we got something right here. It's all good, bro. It's all good. But look, I've been looking at this zone for a minute, and I believe we're almost there. I don't know why I like it, but I like it. Notice how we break below. Actually, that would be market goes up, market comes down. This would be my low. We change character. Is this a rally breakout? Is that a rally breakout?
Yes.
Yes. Again, we're on the daily, right? So we'll have to go ahead and drop down and adjust a little bit. But yes, this is a supply zone. Boom. And we're literally like, bro, if that ain't liquidity, I don't know. I mean, maybe, shoot, I don't know. I'm still liking this zone though. I'm still gonna test trade this zone. Me, I'm gonna test trade this. I might lose like $5. It's all good. $6. I'm gonna lose $6 and 73 cents if it doesn't go my way. And then someone might even lose $673. And you're like, bro, Vinny, you are ass, my boy. You are not good. Right? But I'm like, hey, bro, I'm looking at the opportunity and we throw bigger lots on the confirmation. Do you have that in your notes, though? Do you got that in your notes, though? We test trade bigger lot on the confirmation. So as market's coming up, we got to find pullbacks. I enter my test trade 0.01. Market gives me a confirmation. Boom. Bigger lot. 0.35 right there for your boy. Bam. Shoot it down. You know what I mean? Does this make sense, fam? Let me know. Yeah, let me know. Low key, I mean, honestly. But look. Oh my goodness. Look, check me out. What is this? Let's just delete this real quick. Again, this is the daily. Bro, even if market shoots right here, that is a pretty decent drop for the daily. That's over 200 pips. Levels is telling me this is a shoulder. Inverted. Boom, market up. Let's go. Look at how market is bullish right now. If we can continue, if market can continue, boom. We just changed character. We just changed character on them. And the dollar's bullish right now, so it makes sense. This literally looks just like the dollar on the daily and weekly. Wow. Which makes sense. So even if we do get this sell, hey, this is the first target right here. First target right here. We get this rally. We follow our rally back down to the last selling candle. And I already know based off the way it's set up, that's also an inverted setup right there. Let's drop down. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Come on, we knew that, bro. We already knew that. So that's perfect. That's perfect. We already lining up. We good. We are good. Everything is lining up right now. Perfect. Nice. Let's go ahead and see what Kyle got. Yo, Kyle been staying in charts all the time, bro. I like it. Let's see. This is GBP AUD. I like this, honestly. I do. We do get a rally breakout. Rally breakout. We do break below. This last buying candle would be my supply zone. Right? We follow our rally back up to our last buying candle. That's the one right there. Along with our shoulder zone, which makes this high, boop, our stop loss. Not only do we have that, I like how the market right here kind of gives me my shoulder. Head, we change character. So I'm liking this. Notice how it's building up right now too. Right? Notice how it's building up right now. Consolidation. Oh my goodness. If we can go ahead and just get a, maybe you don't take this trade first entry. It's okay. We change character. Bro, take a break and retest or let it come back and give you that right shoulder opportunity. Does this make sense, Kyle? Let's go, baby. Look, you should look at this is where you should be setting your alerts. Obviously, right here, right before your entry, but right here also, alert with the break and close. Market breaks and closes. Boom, you just got it. You got the alert. Break and close, or I'm sorry, break and retest. Our market comes right back to your right shoulder. I like this setup. I would definitely test trade this setup. Everybody who's on this call, I'm gonna be taking this setup too. This looks really good. I like this. I believe Krista, if I'm not mistaken, we also went over this on our one-on-one today. This looks familiar.
Was it GBP?
I think it was G
I
because we
remember
were
a
in,
lot of pairs.
yeah, we were in other. Let's go ahead and take a look.
Yeah, we were in other.
Other be having all types of different stuff. Let's see. Is it GBP AUD? Oh yeah, it's right here. We were looking at. Oh yeah, Mark has been downtrending for a minute, boy.
Yeah.
Mark has been downtrending. Oh snap! Mark has been downtrending. Awesome. Let's go. Let's just see on the 4 hour. On the 2 hour, I'm looking for a blue box. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. You can do this whole blue box. Me, I like to go from wick to body. That's just how I was brought up when he first came around. So I like it like this. But you can do the whole box. Totally up to you. Stop loss. Boom. Make that thing green. I'm sorry. Make that thing red. Make that thing red. Test trade. That's a $6. About a $6.70. $6.60 loss. If you take an L for a $20 dub. Right? That is solid. That is good trading right there. That's nice. And that right there is a 1 to 3 off, just off the market structure. Right? If we can go ahead and get this. Shoulder move. Oh, let's go. We get the head. Set your alert right here. Boom. Set your alert. Orange. Market breaks below. Let's go ahead and take a break and retest. Or we can go ahead and wait for our new right shoulder. We already know that stop loss will be right here at the new spot. Textbook. Exactly, bro. It's textbook. Textbook, Brody. And if we can get a blue box right here too, double confirmation. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh my goodness. Super, super nice, guys. Super nice. I like it. Good stuff. Good stuff, man. Look, a lot of these are downtrending. A lot of these are downtrending. When are they going to start turning up? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Look, this is what I'm seeing, though. I'm seeing a possible shoulder here, which looks like it was already taken. Oh, that's a missed entry, bro. If I take any trade off this, it's going to be the confirmation trade. I most likely won't trade that off the first touch because that right there was most likely out. It was meant for us in my head. Let's see if we can go ahead. Oh yeah, higher time frame. We definitely got that. Oh yeah, perfect. See what I mean? Perfect. Perfect. I love it. This is why I love the 4 hour time frame. Cool. We got in there. Nice. Nice. I got a lower zone for EUR NZD. Are you talking for sales? EUR NZD on the daily. Okay, yeah, that's nice. That's good. Yeah, perfect. Break and retest. Boom. Oh, this is so textbook, bro. We're going to stay on EUR NZD for a little bit. Let's look at Tizzles. Oh, yes. Go, baby. I like it. I like it. I like what you guys got. I like that you have the confirmation right there. I like that. Okay, but look, check me out. We do break down lower. This move right here is a trend continuation. Right? That is a trend continuation. Let's just drop down to 1 time frame. Let's see. No, it's not. Okay. Let's see one more real quick. Let's just see. Okay, yeah. So, notice. Rally breakout. Levels letting us you want to pay attention to the zone right here. Pay attention to the zone. This zone right here, supply. Supply zone. Now let's take a look. What else is right here? Does anybody want to annotate where you think the shoulder is going to be in this area? Who wants to annotate? Who wants to step up? and get some guidance real quick. Maybe you already know where it is. Let me know. Go ahead, Miguel. Where would you think your left shoulder is going to be in this setup? Perfect. 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 Market comes up. Market comes down. Market goes higher. Consolidates a minute. Drops. Go ahead and delete that circle for me, Miguel. I appreciate you, bro. Left shoulder. Boom. My stop loss. Boom. All we got to do is wait. All we got to do is wait. Let's go and turn these off now. Nice. And look at Levels is already giving us a shoulder. Let's go. Bro, let's go. Consolidation. Consolidation. Let's go ahead and get some. Let it change character. Brand new setup. Brand new setup. Does that make sense? A lot of these are trending down right now. This is what I did when everybody was scared to trade the yens. When it was, I think it was selling off for like 3 months. I was like, bro, trend continuations. Why are you guys scared? Y'all scared because it's gonna change character on you? Adapt, bro. Once they adapt, we've been riding buys for months. Anybody who's been trading the yens most likely been looking for swing buys for months. Dang, this is so nice. It's already heading down, so all we gotta do is change character right there and we good. Heading down to the downside. But look, let's go to that daily, because that daily looked pretty nice. I ain't even gonna lie. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Let's see. Okay, that's what I wanted to see. Okay, never mind. All right, check me out. Oh my goodness, hold on. So what I'm seeing right here is bullishness. Bullishness, right? A whole lot of bullishness. So let's just go ahead and stop right there. And this is what I see. There had to be a shoulder with these wicks. There's most likely a shoulder in there. We drop lower. We change character at that pullback, and we come right back to that right shoulder to continue buying. But before we break down and consolidate, we come right back down to this area, and then we continue to move. We continue to move. So let's just box up real quick, because I do want to see if that's what happened on a lower time frame. Then we have this one as well. Let's go ahead and just shoot this across. When did we change character? This is the highest wick. We changed character right here. Perfect. Let's go ahead. So when we come back down to this area, we do get some blues. Now this is the daily. This is the daily, which means you probably just got 230 pips off that. Nice. Cool. I like it. I like it. I like it. But market goes lower. But look, does market... Never mind. I was gonna give it away. I was gonna give it away. Look at market taps your stop loss, and that's how you know it stayed above. That's how you know you could keep looking for buys. So I'm curious what happens right there. Let's just drop down to see if we can go to the 15 minute in this area. I'm just curious. I want to see if we were able to get back in after getting stop loss. Oh, I hope levels go back. Oh, it stops right there. No, we gotta go. We gotta. What is this? EOR NZD? We gotta go find it. Where is it? Where is it? You guys can see my screen still, right? I haven't traded this thing in a minute. Just marking it up. All right, cool. back in this area. Okay, let's just see. All right, looks like market stopped us out right here. Right, we can see most likely there was the wick. Let's see. I don't even want to go back over there. We already know this is the area. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Let's go. Levels letting me know there's a shoulder right here. Mark that up. My stop loss. My stop loss. Where do we change character? This is the highest part in that consolidation. Boom, we change character, break and retest. Again, this is the 15-minute, probably got a couple pips off that. But look, as soon as market comes back to that area, ooh, look at that. It holds. Maybe though, I'm be real. I gotta be real with you. Could your Uncle Vern be real with you? One time for the one time? You know, spread gonna do his job. Sadly, you know, spread gonna do his job and get your ass out right there, right? Right? So let's just go ahead and adjust. We're gonna stay on the 15-minute. I believe there's a setup right here. That's why it pulled back in this area. And we'll see if levels or if trading goal let us go back. But let's just stay right here. Let's stay right here. Let's delete this. Oh man, we cooking. This is our buy zone. Where's our closest pullback to our buy zone? Boom, it's this one. As soon as we touch, we're expecting market to change character. It fails to keep moving and drops lower. So now this is the new zone it has to pull back and change character off of. Orange, that's my alert. That's my alert. Guys, we get a change of character right there. Oh my goodness. We get a change of character right there. Even though this is a 2-candle rally, that is still a breakout. That is still a breakout, which makes this right here your demand. Boom. You could have got back in. You could have got back in. Boom. Crazy. Crazy. Let's just see if it lets us go even lower. Let's see. Hold on, bro. Can we go lower, like to the 5? Oh, yes, sir. Oh, we need to go lower, bro. Ah, data point. Oh, you whack, bro. It's all good. We already know what happened. We already know what happened, guys. It literally gave us the move we were looking for. So let's just go back and adjust real quick. Where are we at? Let's just go back and adjust real quick. We were looking for buys off of this zone. Right, we were looking for buys off of this zone right here. Market hit stop. Let's just go ahead. Because this is what we do. You focus on one pair, guys, you will get paid. You will. Like, there's no way you're not going to get paid. That's the zone. Let's drop down real quick. Four-hour time frame. It even gives you the break and retest on the 4-hour time frame. We didn't even have to drop down, technically. Tripping. But let's keep going, because we already did. Let's see. Boom. Yep. Oh, we didn't even have to drop down to the 15 or the 5? Oh, it was on the 1 hour? Oh, my goodness. This is it. We got stop loss right here. We got stop loss right here. We're able to get back in right in this area. Now let's just see. Did we do this on the 1 hour time frame? We didn't, huh? And look, it looks even better. It looks even better on the higher time frame. I think we did this on the 15 or 5. Bro, it looks even better on the 1 hour. Shift the market right there. Shift the market right there, guys. Guys, shift the market right there. Do what it do. Do what it do. This is nice. Hold on, I'm having like, you know, I'm marking up and studying with you guys right now. This is literally what I be doing on a daily basis. So you guys get into my mind and we learn together. Right, so we already know Tizzle, I believe Jose are looking for areas down here. That's not a bad area, right? That's not a bad area at all. Why? We already know that's an inverted head and shoulder, along with the rally breakout, which makes this right here my demand zone. Boom, nice. That's nice. But look, check me out. Check me out, guys. Is this a rally breakout right here? Is this a rally breakout to the downside?
Yes.
Yes. So this was my previous supply. That was my previous supply, along with the change of character, right? That violation definitely changed character. Boom. Right, definitely changed character. Let's go ahead and identify. This was our break-in retest. It did give us some drawdown, especially if you're entering in this area, right? The way he would teach, right? But market comes right back down to that failed supply zone, and it rejects. Look it. What if you're like, you know what, bro? I just got violated right here. I'm not even gonna I'm just gonna hold off, and I'm not gonna take this. Right? My confidence has been shaken a little bit, and that's okay. Right? Where's our closest pullback to our entry? Someone draw it on my screen. This is entry 1. Where's my closest pullback to my entry point? Who wants to draw it? Who wants to draw it? This is my entry point. Follow the market down. Follow the market down, guys. Who wants to do it up for me? Where the vets at? Where the vets at?
I'm not on my, yeah, I was just gonna say that buy candle, that little buy candle right there.
Yeah.
That one.
I don't know how to. Jose Flores. You don't know how to find the closest pullback, bro? You've been on my calls. I see you, bro. That's not an excuse. Where your notes at, bro? Oh. I take it back. I take it back one time. But look, check me out. I was going to say, bro, you've been on my calls. How you not going to know? Market drops down, pulls back. Market drops down lower, pulls back. This is my entry point. If market's going to give us confirmation, it needs to break above. Do we get a break and retest? Oh, my Lord. We shift the market up with the break and retest. We shift that market up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. So we already knew, guys. Have this in your mind. We knew we wanted to buy in this zone. We knew it off the top, off the market structure, off smart money, off mitigation, off imbalance fill, off demand, off the shoulder. We knew this zone right here, prime time, baby. Prime time, right?
But I have a question.
What's up?
So, there is the red candle. I'm switching over to my laptop right now. I can't annotate on the screen, but there's where our stop loss is. There's that bull candle and then that bear candle right next to it. So go, yeah, right where you had it in the beginning.
Right here?
To the right. One more. Would that be another place that you could highlight and that could be your entry and the stop loss would still be the same?
Correct. Why
Okay.
would that be an entry, Krista?
Be-
Talk to
It
me.
is a starting point because there's a rally.
Let's get it.
Yay! I'm telling you,
Let,
1-1-on-1 sesh.
let's get it. But look, guys. Look, did we break below? Did we break below this demand zone?
No.
No, we did not. We wicked it. Whoever puts their stop loss right here. Again, this is daily, so but same rules apply. People love to put their stop losses below the order block. They just got wicked out. You put at the low where everybody should be, whether it's shoulder, boom, we good. 1 to 3. Hey, the shoulder got the 1 to 3. Even though this is a big ass stop on the daily, let's just see if it hits a 1 to 3. And then you could tell me if you don't really want to do it, Boom. No, oh my god, this is a thing. Like, you study so much and you literally start to understand as soon as where you put your entry to where you put your stop, you pull it out to a 1 to 3. Smacks TP starts to reverse down. Why? That's so crazy. It's like it's literally giving me the dub and then going back. It's like, thank you, market. I appreciate you. Nice. You would have entered at the 50. Cool. Smack. Nice little smack right there. 1 to 3. Smacking. No matter what, right? We all have your entry points where you want to enter, right? Everybody has their own pairs that they study and where market likes to bounce off of. The touch, the 50. Does it like to give a little bit of drawdown? Is it a toxic pair, right? Everybody has their little thing. I get you. Trust me. Oh man, this is so fire. Look, for people who put their stop loss down here, let's adjust this one real quick. And we're gonna go over tonight. Oh, I didn't even set my alarm. I was wondering when that thing was gonna go off. It's all good though, cause that call ended. So people who usually put their stop loss at the end of this demand zone, cause I know you guys do it. I see you guys. Right, that's okay. Trust me. Let's drop down real quick. 4-hour time frame. Boom. Guys, I already knew what happened. This thing shifted. That thing shifted. You got stop lost. Hey, you like to have a tight zone. Shoot, I feel you, bro. Trust me. I feel you. Market gives you, after it changes character, we don't get a break and retest. Again, we shift that market. Market comes right back down to our stop, to our entry. Whoo! Let's go, baby. Let's go ahead and shift the market with some confidence. Because we already knew it didn't break below, right? For people who are trading off supply and demand, break below is violation. It wicked below. And it also touched our right shoulder. Right, so for people who are trading off head and shoulder, we know our stop loss is the low. That's the real stop loss right there. We get wicked out. If you're tight, hey, confirmation, baby. I'm liking that. Let's just clean up real quick. I want to see more because I saw more. I'm liking this though. Let's just readjust. Oh, never mind. I guess that was it. Oh man, was this a fire call? Bro, I thought this call was so fire. Dang, I hope I bless you guys, man. If I don't bless you guys, man, I don't even know what I'm doing here. I hope I do my job. And then market just gives you, I don't know, ER, NZD. You look like the pair for me right now. Right shoulder. Oh man, let's go ahead and just see real quick. Oh man, with the drop, you gonna do us like that? You gonna respect structure like that, EUR NZD? For real? You really just gonna respect structure like that, huh? Great.
Thank you, Vinny.
Yeah, of course. Oh man, right back down. Oh man, 1-7. Sheesh. Man, I don't know about you guys. Fire call. I hope did you guys some justice. I hope you guys took notes. Yes, I will send this call into the Powerhouse chat. I'm sorry, the FRX funding Powerhouse chat. So if you're on Powerhouse, right, you're in that chat. Make sure you guys check that chat for 1, trades, 2, live calls, and 3, recordings and updates and so on and so forth, right? But yes, I will send this recording in that chat when I get that. With that being said, man, trade responsibly this week. Go ahead and get after it. Trust your eyes and take the opportunities. If you're a little scared, trade demo. It's okay. It's okay to trade demo. Gain your confidence and just smack the market. Trade with confidence and just smack